We have people on our scanner who are evading the police. They are not roaming around freely in their villages. वो सारे भज्जे हुए हैं, तो उन्हां नू फड़ना और उन्हां नू ट्रैक करना, it takes time. So we will do it. We are very certain and we will do it.
In this case, you are investigating into the role of a pharma company in Delhi. What action would you be taking against that company?
So if the company, see, if it is a legal company, but it is mixed up in an illegal manner, so depending on the evidence, we will take action. We will book them in case their role comes out. Because it is a license. See, you have to investigate. It's a licensed chemist who is, trying to procure it in the legal manner. But whether those people are aware of what is happening, so that we will explore. See, whatever cases are registered in the districts, so the STF strategy is that STF is a force comprising of a few officials which will carry out, flying squad operations. But in the larger scheme of things, it is an SHO-driven police force. So the police stations, how they are functioning in each area, though all SSPs have been told to devise a specific strategy based upon recoveries in their areas and vulnerable areas in their districts, where a focused strategy is required to be made so that agar उन्हां दी ज़्यादा प्रॉब्लम फार्मास्यूटिकल्स दी है, फिर वो दी बैकवर्ड लिंकेजेस एक्सप्लोर करके, एंड वी विल बी कोऑर्डिनेटिंग विद वेरियस डिस्ट्रिक्ट्स टू फाइंड आउट कि हु आर दी किंग पिन. लेट्स से कि 3 डिस्ट्रिक्ट्स विच एक ही कंपनी सप्लाई कर रही है, सो देन वी कैन फॉर्मुलेट अ जॉइंट स्ट्रैटेजी ऑन द लीगल साइड. अगर किसी दे लाइसेंस कैंसल करने वाले हैं वो करेंगे. बाकी जो इंटर स्टेट मीटिंग्स असी कर रहे हैं, इनफैक्ट कल भी DGP पंजाब होस्ट कर रहे हैं एक इंटर स्टेट मीटिंग ऑन ड्रग्स एंड अदर गैंगस्टर इशूज एट्सेट्रा इन चंडीगढ़. So the same kind of things, जेडे linkages हैं, it has come to notice कि Saharanpur, UP is a major source of lots of illegal medicines. So we are tying up with them also. The NCB is also involved in this. So it is a joint coordinated strategy at the Government of India state level. Basically ਜਿਹੜੇ ਪਿਛਲੇ 2-2.5 ਸਾਲ ਤੋਂ ਹੁਣ ਜਿਹੜੀ ਅੱਜ ਦੀ ਡੇਟ ਹੈ ਫਿਗਰ ਹੈ 760 heroin 760 kg heroin has been recovered. So basically ਜਿਹੜੇ ਬਾਕੀ drugs हैं ਉਹਨਾਂ ਦੀ ਤੁਹਾਨੂੰ details ਤੁਹਾਨੂੰ ਦੇ ਦਾਂਗੇ. तो ਇਹਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ absconders ਵੀ ਅਸੀਂ we have मतलब कोई 50 POs, 258 absconders, 70 bail jumpers, 11